Positive Protons. This is Autumn,
Dia K, Dia F,
Josh,
Paul,
Sarah,
Tivona.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity to talk about FIRST in our season so far. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology.
First, mission is to inspire young people to explore STEM careers by engaging kids in programming that builds science, engineering, and technology.
We showcased FIRST core values by exploring new skills and ideas by using our creativity and persistence to solve problems, by applying what we learn in our world, and respecting and embracing our differences, and realizing we are stronger when we work together and celebrating what we do.
Here are some numbers from last season. There are more than 216,000 students from across 69 countries that participated in this program last year, much less than previous year's numbers of over 300,000 students from over 106 countries due to COVID.
This year in Ohio, there were more than 450 teams and 4,000 students that took part in this competition.
The FLL Challenge consists of 4 parts: an innovation project where teams research and solve a real-world problem. Robot Design is here to showcase the strategy, innovation, and mechanical design, and also programming skills.
Core values to demonstrate teamwork, cooperation, and gracious professionalism. In the robot games, teams compete to score points by moving in an autonomous mode to solve missions on the game board.
Here are the members of our team. Dia Shaw is a 3rd grader. Dia Kumar, Paul, and Tivona are 4th graders. Autumn, Sarah, and I are 5th graders studying in Layton Elementary. We are coached by Mr. Senthil and Mr. Mike.
Our coach challenged us to present our project in an SCQA format. So here is our take on it.
There's a lot of inefficiencies and injury risk in how we load, transport, and unload cargo. We are trying to reimagine our global transportation system to eliminate inefficiencies. We have pondered how we can improve the speed and safety of loading and unloading cargo.
We have designed a conveyor belt that can be retrofitted into truck containers to speed up loading and unloading process.
Currently, forklifts have to go inside the container to pick up one pallet at a time. But what if the packages came to the door automatically instead? We would like to install a conveyor belt inside all the existing truck containers, and at the push of a button, cargo is delivered to your dock doors.
Many companies use a staging area to load and unload their cargo. We encourage these companies to install a conveyor belt receiver to seamlessly move materials from the container to dock and vice versa. Smaller companies can use a ball transfer table on their docks to speed up the loading and unloading process. Larger companies like Amazon that already use a conveyor system to load and unload cargo within their warehouse can link to the container as demonstrated in the video. As you can see, the container is embedded with the conveyor belt. Once docked, it latches on the conveyor belt on the plant floor, and at a push of a button, materials move from the truck to the container.
Some of the key features of our solution include reduction in time to load and unload by up to 80%. You don't need any extra machinery to load and unload cargo. It also reduces the risk of injury during the load and unload process.
Only 2 workers are needed for loading and unloading cargo, compared to 5 workers that are currently needed. With our solution, there is less damage to cargo. It is more eco-friendly as it eliminates the need for pallets. Any good businessman would agree that there needs to be a compelling reason to make an investment on this. The average cost to retrofit an existing container with our solution is estimated at about $50,000, spread across motors, rollers, belts, and labor. The annual savings from reduced labor alone will be enough to cover the cost in less than 2 months. We estimate about $420,000 in labor savings, assuming we work 250 days of the year and an average of 8 loads and unload per day. Our robot design is built on the foundation of PDCA, plan, do, check, and adjust. A sound mission strategy helps us solve the maximum missions. We have made it a practice to log all of our runs and add comments to our codes. A good Jamboard keeps us on track to hit deadlines.
Here's a snippet of our robot run at the
Positive Protons ready?
Yeah!
Timekeeper
Okay, person one. I can give you any wish you want.
I wish for money.
You are person two. Person two. Okay, I want money. Person one.
Here's some Monopoly money.
No, that is not correct. Person one. Okay, here's your money. Person two.
I wanted regular money, not Monopoly money.
That is not the same.
I want regular money.
Take time, think of about 20 seconds. Okay,
Big blip in about 10 seconds. Right about.
Here are some of our accomplishments this year. We won the Champions Award and the Robot Performance Award for the highest points scored at the regional qualifier.
We won the Engineering Excellence Award and the Robot Performance Award for the highest points scored at the district qualifier.
We won the Champions Award at the FLL Ohio State Championship and are honored to represent Ohio at the World Championship.
Our coach Senthil was recognized as the Outstanding Volunteer of the Year at the state championship.
We are excited with our upcoming trip and estimates of the costs for travel to be around $12,000.
We are reaching out to local companies such as yourself to explore possibilities for sponsorship. We would be happy to add your logo to our t-shirts and other merchandise as a sponsor.
we thank you again for allowing us to present this to you and for considering to donate to us. We nominate our coach Senthil to answer any questions you may have because we are not with you at FLL.